Hi, I'm May Lee. I'm one of the partners of Abington Behavioral Health Consultants in Pennsylvania. I'm the October 2016 winner of the Lux Escape Raffle promo. I was very amazed by what I saw in Manila Fame because of the showcase of Filipino design and just the pure creativity. It was very refreshing to see uniquely made products. In the United States, we often see mass-produced products, so this was very different from what I've experienced. Manila Fame sets itself apart because I think many of the exhibitors are very accommodating and open to inquiries for both small and big businesses. And I think Manila Fame does a very good job at telling the story of the regions where the products are coming from, as well as the artisans' stories and how and why they make the products. And I think that is very encouraging and inspiring as a potential buyer. I'm very happy about winning the raffle promo. I've never been to Palawan, so I'm very excited to go and see how it is. Register now as a foreign trade buyer and get a chance to explore a dream destination in the Philippines. Visit Manila Fame this April 2017.